Morning, everyone. It's 8:45 on Thursday morning, and since it's Thursday, it's continuing claims day. This is video number 248, and I remind you to please hit that subscribe button. Okay, so Europe was a little lower. Asia was down. There's some mumbling about the U.S.-China trade, which is at a 9-year low, trade funds, investment funds. And there's also an OPEC meeting today. So initial claims, 860,000, well below that million mark, although if things are so good, why are 900,000 people signing up for unemployment every day? Continuing claims also on the decline, below the 13 million, 12,628,000. We also had some news on housing starts and permits. Housing starts were very soft, down 5.1%, and permits down 0.9%. There's a lot of talk. The CEO of Lennar was on talking about the price of lumber, and if you watch my videos, you'll see that I've been discussing lumber for a month. And so there's also an availability issue. Okay, in stocks, Southwest Airlines pulls Boeing planes out of service. This is probably a very short-term temporary issue. Both stocks are slightly lower. I don't think it has anything to do with this announcement, but there is a discrepancy in weight of some of these planes. So regulators have been talking about fining LUV, Southwest, on the basis of them not being in compliance with filing of information because of that discrepancy. Moderna is 70.72. That's up $1.88 on decent results. This is getting to be really a joke. This is exactly the same news that came out last week, that came out the week before, that came out the week before that. And all of these vaccine companies, some of them are down a little off the highs, some of them are at the highs. Every day there's a new one, some little stock that has a strong day because of a COVID announcement. Very reminiscent of the .com era, where everybody and their brother added .com to their corporate names. And in any event, Herman H. Miller up 376 on a beat, both top and bottom. 29.65 up, as I said, 376. That's 14.6%. The market really, except for those numbers, really has no new news. We started selling off overnight around 10 o'clock last night, and it only got worse. And right now, the Dow implied open is down about 300, S&P's down about 48, and the NASDAQ is down about 240. This is the NASDAQ on the screen, and this is where we are. We have no closes here below Monday's close at 11,061.50, and right now we're 11,002. So if we break this, we could go all the way back here to the 100-day moving average. All of the big NASDAQ names are down. Amazon was down 70 yesterday. It's down another 64. Tesla was down. It's down another 25. And Play, Dave and Buster's, which is basically a bar with food and games to play if you're not familiar with it. I don't see any news on it, but it is 1707. That's down $2.04, or just under 11%. So that's a hard one to figure. I did look for the news, couldn't find it. The oil is about unchanged after yesterday's big move up. It's down 29 cents. That's nothing overwhelming. The gold, on the other hand, is down 19, and that really kind of surprises me because the dollar is not that strong. But it hasn't broken to the downside here. It's still right back into that same area and again approaching the 50-day MA. So I can't call it a sale. If I had my druthers, I would say it's probably a buy with a stop below these closes. And I think that the lowest close is right here, 1952. We are exactly 1952 now. And let me just check. Yep. So, if you wanted to play the gold, I'd say get long the GLD and use a stop under those closes. All right, everyone. Have a good day. Be careful out there, and please subscribe.